Friend, today we are going to study about very important part, that is the letter writing. Till now many letters you have written, you know that how to write the letter. Then also listen it carefully, because mistakes should be not okay in this letter writing. If you do the mistakes, then definitely your marks are going to cut, and your whatever impression is there, it is also you are going to lose. That's why letter writing should be go perfectly. Okay, now what is letter writing? That all points I am going to mention, and I am going to explain it, and after that what are the layouts are there, what is the format is there of the letter writing, that also we are going to discuss in today's video. That's why listen it very carefully. Writing letters, okay, in that letters which kinds of letter are there? Informal letter and the formal letter. Then what is informal letter? Informal letters which we write to the our nears. Okay, nears means our relatives, our parents, our grandparents, our friends, our uncle, auntie, who are the relatives. For that we are using the informal letter. And formal letters means for the official person. Official persons means like a postman, then lecturer, teacher, principal, yeah, manager of the bank. Like this, all high authority persons, to them when we write the letter, it is coming under the formal letter. Okay, now we are going to discuss parts of the letter. We write letters to reach where we cannot physically reach, yeah, where we can't go. Nowadays we are using the mobiles only. Through mobile we are sending the message within a second. But then also letters are also very important, we have to study it. Then where we can't go physically, there we send the letters. Ourselves are what we cannot say face to face, that also we can write in the form of letter. So it is important that we know how to write an effective letter. Then what are the parts of the letter? A letter, depending on its kind, may have different parts as mentioned below. First part, which is very important in the letter, that is the date. What you have to write? Date. Date is very important. Don't write the word date. Okay, suppose today's date is what? For example, I am taking any year you can take, any month you can take, any date you can take. For example, I am taking now suppose 30 September. Okay, what is that? 30 September 2020. Then this date write down. Don't write the spelling D-A-T. It will be totally wrong. Only we have to write 30th September 2020. Then writing date is important in all types of letter. The date of writing the letter is mentioned below heading. In case of business letter, without using the word date, as it is understood. Everybody is understanding month is coming, date is coming, year is coming, it is the form of date. That's why no need to write the word date. Now second, inside address. Inside means what? Receiver's address, to whom we are sending the letter, where it is going to reach, that address we are going to write. Suppose you are writing a letter to your friend, then where your friend is living, that friend's address you have to mention it firstly. It is used in formal, informal and miscellaneous letters. It consists of the name and the or designation of the person. Okay, suppose your brother name, then his colony, that everything we have to mention. One example is given down, you will understand. Whom the letter is sent, or simply the name of the company to which the letter is sent. For example, Mr. Vikas Tomar, Administrative Officer, Akriti International School. Okay, like a clerk, we can say that Mr. Vikas Tomar, he can be clerk. Okay, Mr. Vikas Tomar, firstly name, then his designation. Designation means on which post he is, principal, teacher or which. Then he is the administration officer. Then which school? Akriti International School. Then where it is? Daulakuan, New Delhi. Okay, and its pin code 110010. I hope everybody is knowing where they live, that's pin code. If you are not knowing the pin code, ask to your parents what is the pin code in which area you are living. Then salutation. We do the salutes to the soldiers. Means what we show? We show the respect. Okay. Here also, to whichever person we are writing the letter, to that person we have to show the respect, otherwise our love also. Okay. Then salutation, this is equivalent of the namaste in Marathi. In the conversation, some of the common salutations are dear sir when the address is male, dear madam when she is female, dear Shri Bakshi or dear Mr. Pradhan or dear Mr. Naik. When directly we are going to write the name, directly we can mention the dear name. Okay. That is the 3 points now. Date, then address, receiver's address, salutation. Now fourth point is what? Body of the letter. Body of the letter means what we are going to write in that. Suppose you want the leave application, then in that you are going to write about the why you want the leave application, from which date to which date you want the leave. That all points will come. If leave application is there and if you write about the Diwali vacation, is it correct? No. Then that the body of the letter, it will be totally wrong. You want to write about the leave, then only write about the leave. If you are, it is mentioned in the question, write about the Diwali celebration, then write only about the Diwali, not about the Holi. This body of the letter is very important. For which purpose you are writing the question, accordingly that question only you have to mention the paragraphs. Okay. This contains the real message of the letter. This part is to be drafted with the utmost care. Very carefully you have to write this. The body is broken up into convenient paragraphs like seeking action means response. Firstly, how are you? That questions. Okay, then closing section is there at the last, thank you. Others, give my regards to your parents, like this. Okay, with a phrase like thanks for your time and attention. We are at your service at all times. This kind of words we have to use. Now complimentary end, that is called a formal close also. At the ending of the what we say, bye bye. Okay, and that bye bye is there. Okay, but when we do the conversation, that time bye bye is okay. But when in the written form we are writing the letter, we can't write bye bye. We have to write what? Proper closing. And that proper closing, how it is going to come? It's mentioned in the yellow box what you can write. This is equivalent to goodbye in conversation and is followed by the signature of the letters. Okay, signature means your name. The formal close depends on the relationship with the addressee. Addressee means receiver. With the receiver, what is your relation? Accordingly that you have to do the end. Below given is chart of showing relation between opening salutation and complimentary close. Suppose salutation is sir and madam. Okay, you suppose your principal sir, principal ma'am is there. Then at the last, what do you write? At the end, yours faithfully, yours truly. Okay, this is used in the official correspondence with superior and with government departments also. Wherever government we are writing, there we have to use. Now second, dear sir, dear madam, same we are using. Yours faithfully, yours truly. See student, these are the formal letters. Before only I said which are official letters are there. These are called the formal letters. Then these examples, first and second and third, are for the formal, and last fourth one is for the informal. Then dear Mr. Singh, dear Mr. Shekhar, okay, Miss Shekhar, dear Dr. Agarwal. Then that time you can write yours sincerely, sincerely yours. It is less formal. Okay, it is not on the high designation, and little bit we are relatives means frankly we are talking with them. Suppose doctor is there, with the doctor we are talking very frankly. Then it is used when the writer is familiar with the correspondent, with the receiver. Dear Ankit, dear Vijay. Now by this name only you are understanding these are your friends or these are your cousins. Then here you can write yours cordially, yours sincerely, yours friendly. This is used in the informal letters such as personal or social letter. Now last point is signature block. Signature block means you have to write your name, and downside of name you have to write your address also. You can write down address also. Then what you are going to use? The formal close is followed by the signature and name of the designation of the letters writer. Some of the signatures blocks may appear as yours faithfully, Durgansh Prasad, yours sincerely, Smita Kaur, yours lovingly, Preeti. Like that means you are lovingly on the special line and Preeti will be on the separate line. Both will be on the separate line. Yours faithfully, then downside name will come, signature will come. Yours sincerely, downside name will come. Yours lovingly, downside name will come. That you have to remember. Don't write yours faithfully front only name. Yours lovingly front name. No, it will come on the second line. Okay, these 6 points are very important at the writing time of the letter. Now types of the letter, before also I said informal or personal and the formal. Now see the layout of the informal letter, personal letter, which you send to your relations, to the loved one. Okay, then what is the format? See, one number is given, heading. What is the heading? Address of the sender, 124 Shalimar apartment. And student, remember always in the address, each word's first letter we are going to write in the capital. Now Shalimar, yes capital, apartment A capital. Now C block, C capital, B capital, Rajendra R capital, Nagar N capital, and Patna, that P capital. Okay, observe this carefully. Now address is mention of the receiver. Then downside we have mentioned the date. Then here we have given the spelling of the date. No, only we have mentioned the date, 10 July 2011. Then we have to skip one line. Then to whom we are writing the letter? Salutation is there. Dear mom. Then what will come? Body of the letter. To your mom, to your mother, why are you writing the letter? That content should come in the message or body of the letter. Now message is over. Then after message, subscription, ending. Yours affectionately, yours lovingly, your son, yours daughter, like that. And signature means your name. And downside you can write your address. Okay. If you are living with your mother only in the same house, then no need. Okay, but if you are living in the hostel and your mother is at home, then you can write the address of the hostel. Otherwise, suppose your mother has gone to the abroad, to the other country, then if there you are sending the letter, then your own house address you can mention as a daughter, as a son. Okay, Sri Vikas P Suryavanshi Model Town. Whenever we write the address of the receiver or the sender, first letter of the each word write down in the capital. You can observe here. Okay, you can see that. Now this is of the informal letter which we send to the relatives. Now layout of the formal letter. What is same? It is what little bit change is there. What is the little bit change? Firstly, we are going to write down the address of the sender, and then we are going to write the address of the receiver. Get it all? What is the first address? Address of the sender. Who is, suppose I am sending. Okay, then my address will come. Ashoka Building, Exhibition Road, Patna, pin code. Then date will come. After address, what is coming? Date. And it will come on the line, separate lines. Colony will be on the separate line. House number, that will be on the separate line. Your city name will be on the separate line. Then date will be also on the separate line. March 23, 2011. Now after that we have to skip the line and we have to write the address of the receiver to whom we are writing the letter. Then suppose the sales manager, Tata Motors. Here if you are sending letter to your principal, then what will come? The principal, Architectural School. Okay. Then your address will come. Aurangabad, Vaduz, Aurangabad. Like that. Now here, who is the receiver? The sales manager, Tata Motors, Arcot Road, Lakshmi Nagar, Porar, Chennai. Now see, observe that first letter is capital in the address. Now next is the salutation. Now we are sending to the male. Okay, then we can write the sir. If we are sending to the female, then we can write the madam. The subject is very important in the formal letter, not in the informal. If we are sending to the mother, father, there is no need to write the subject. But whenever we write to the any designation person, okay, any official person, we have to write down their subject. Then what is the subject? Order for drilling equipments. Okay, then body of the letter, if it is about the equipments, about the material, there you have to give information about the material only. Okay, then in the body what will come? Only will come information about the tools, about the equipments. Okay, this is the body over. Then lastly, what is going to come? Subscription, that is complimentary end, that is your faithfully. Here you can't read your son because there is no relation with that person. Your daughter, your lovingly, that words we can't use in the formal letter. Then what we are going to write? Yours faithfully. And after that, signature. Signature means name of the person who is sending the letter. Who is sending here? Anurag Desai. If you are sending, then your name will come. If I am sending, my name will come. Okay, these are the layouts of the formal and informal. These two things only you are going to write down in the notebook. What you are going to write down? Layouts. Which layouts? Before which I said layout of the informal letter, that as it is write down in the notebook, and layout of the formal letter. These both you can write horizontally in the notebook. Vertically if it is not possible, make your notebook horizontally, and horizontally you can write down both the layouts in the notebook. This is only homework of yours, layout of the formal letter and layout of the informal letter. Thank you so much, student. I hope that you understood the letter. Now in the PDF form I will send few examples of the letters of the formal and informal. Those letters also you have to write down afterward in the notebook as examples. Okay, take care and complete this both the layouts in the notebook and send me for the checking. Thank you so much and take care.